Hey, how we doing, everybody? This is Steve Calloway here. I'm ready for another haircut. Keeps on growing. I guess I'm feeding it right. And we're just gonna do it with these trimmers here that I got at Walmart. And we're gonna get started right now. Oh, the hair is piling up. It's piling up. So a couple things about this clipper. It's kind of idiot proof. That's why I'm using it. Obvious reasons. And it's got this guide right here. And there's 8 different guides for different lengths of hair. So I've got it set on, I think, 1 inch or 1.1 inch. And so it won't cut it any shorter than that anywhere that I'm going over with the clippers. For the short stuff along the sideburns and stuff like that, I take this off, and then it's like a regular shaver. But I'm not quite done yet. I'm gonna go over everything one more time. That's coming along pretty good. Hey, not bad. Now I'm going to take this depth guide off. Now I got to be careful. And I'm going to try to do the back. That's the toughest part, because I can't see. And I'm trying to draw a straight line. Good luck with that, right? Well, it didn't feel too bad. Okay, so there's a haircut. Not too bad. what I normally do is I'm doing this at 12. I think you can see that on the camera. Can you see that on this computer screen? It's 12. Can't see without my glasses at 12:26 at night. And I'm doing it at night for a couple of reasons. One is I definitely got to go take a shower, which I always do before I go to bed. So I'm definitely going to have to do that tonight because I've got hair all over the place. And it's quieter at this time of night. During the day, I have 2 dogs, Pippi and Elroy, and they are guard dogs, I suppose. At least they think they are. And every time there's anybody going by the house in a car or walking by or on a bicycle or whatever, they go ballistic. I've told them many times, we're not being attacked by zombies, it ain't happening. For one reason, there's no such thing as zombies, right? Well, there might be. So that's it for now. I think that's not looking too bad. I got to do a little work over here. A little work there. I'll do that in front of a mirror where I can get a little bit closer. And that's it. So it doesn't take long. That clipper cost me $28 at Walmart. And I've used it, I think this is my 4th time cutting my hair with it. So how much does it cost to get a haircut in your neighborhood? I know around here it's, by the time you tip the barber, you're up around $30. And so, you know, I think that 20 is not unusual, 25. There's a few around that advertise like for 15. But even at 15, the cheapest one, you know, so I've done it 4 times now, so that would have been $60, but it only cost me 28. So I'm saving money. Okay. All right, guys. Well, we'll get out of here. I can yammer on for quite a while. I'll be going back to work soon. I work at Sutter's Marina in Canandaigua, and I work there in the summer doing lots of stuff with boats. Kind of a pretty good gig for the summertime. So that's it. Thanks for watching. We'll see you all in the next video. About every 5-6 weeks I probably cut my hair. I'm not sure. And I'll be doing that. I'll probably I'll probably videotape it for you every time I do it, so you can see what I do. Now, if you have somebody that will do the clipper work for you, all you gotta do is sit still, don't wiggle around, and they can run that clipper right on around there, just like I just did. I was doing it by feel, but I don't think it looks too bad actually. I'm pretty happy with it. So that's that. Appreciate you watching. Bye bye.